The number one stereotype of a clean fragrance is that it's going to smell bad or like hippie. You know, I feel like as soon as you say, hey, we're a clean and natural fragrance, they're like, do you smell like patchouli?
I am B. Shapiro, and I'm the founder of Ellis Brooklyn. If I had only 2 sentences to say, I would say A, for all of our scents, it's Brooklyn in a bottle. Not the L train, but the good smelling Brooklyn. And then B is that we really focus on sustainability as well. So yes, we care about naturals and amazing formulations, but also being really respectful to the environment.
Hi, I'm Rosie Johnston from By Rosie Jane. By Rosie Jane is all about wearable, clean, easy beauty. It's products that can be easily incorporated into your busy, crazy everyday life, whether or not you're a mom like me, 3 babies, or just running to work. Something that's a no-brainer is always invited. What makes fragrance clean for us is staying away from parabens, phthalates, which are essentially preservatives. It's about authenticity. I'm a mom. I want to know what, not only that I'm using on myself, but what I'm putting out there into the world is safe. I was wondering what she was touching and then putting her hands in her mouth, and I really started to think, okay, what is on my body? I think that a lot of mothers have that experience when they give birth.
And because I was testing all these different products as a beauty columnist, I just felt like, okay, I can really dive down deep with the ingredients and get to know what's actually in there. And being in that position was how I started. So from that, baseline was really how clean came to be.
Naturals and synthetics both have their pluses and minuses. Naturals are wonderful, of course, because they are the natural essences that exist naturally. But the drawbacks of a natural is that they have a lot of power. They're very, very strong.
Naturals also come with a whole host of allergens.
If you want to make an allergen-free product, it has to be synthetic. There are a lot of amazing, safe synthetics. We use them because they allow us to create a level of complexity in fragrance that is not achievable with all naturals.
So for example, amber. Amber is an amazing synthetic ingredient. Amber does not exist. It's just a stone in real life with no scent, but it's so common in perfumery because it evokes an amber feeling that's not captured in a natural. So with the clients, we're really empowering them with clean fragrance. We're vegan, we're paraben-free, we're phthalate-free, we're cruelty-free.
It's about transparency and about giving, our customers a choice.